Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check watch history on Twitter. So it's pretty simple, and Twitter has also a built-in function for checking history. I'll tell you how to do. So first of all, tap on top left corner of your profile icon. After tapping on it, now you have to tap on setting and support. Now you have to tap on setting and privacy and tap on your account. In your account section, here you have to tap on download an archive of your data. So it will ask you for your login. After putting your login details on your Twitter, so it will ask you for your verification code. After login to your Twitter account, it will send you a zip file to your email address, and what you have to do is you just have to download that file, and that file contain all of the history of your Twitter. So in this way you guys can get Twitter history, and it's pretty simple. So that's all for today guys. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.